Okay, on this Honda Accord, I will be replacing the front driver's side CV axle. The car doesn't have the transmission's in park, but it's still able to roll. So I'm going to jack the vehicle up. I block the rear wheels, and I'm going to jack the vehicle up and remove the wheel. Okay, I got the wheel jacked up. Just wanted to show you that there's nothing on the transmission. The axle's completely gone. So I'm going to remove the wheel and support the vehicle on a jack stand. Okay, so here's the axle. You see how it's broken there. Broke it in half. So the next thing I'm going to do is remove the this axle nut. Then I have to remove the maybe I can squeeze the new one in here, but I need to remove the upper ball joint. Getting the cotter pin ready to be removed. Okay, I've got the cotter pin removed for this upper ball joint. I'm going to put something to stop this from turning and take out the axle nut. Since I'm going to be reusing this upper ball joint, I'm going to use this special tool to pop it out of the hole. Okay, what I just did was I took out the bolt holding the brake hose to give me a little more room without stressing the brake on. Looks like I have to remove the strut here, this bolt here. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, I finally got the bolt that holds the strut to the lower control arm out. This makes it easier for me to put the new axle in there. There's the rest of the axle right there. So I just gotta put a pan under there, catch any fluid that might come out, pop it out, and then quickly put the new one in without damaging the seal. Okay, here's the new CV axle installed to the transmission. I had to go ahead and remove the strut, and this ABS wire takes a 10mm bolt to hold this wire. Take that off in order to maneuver the axle in position underneath this strut here. So the rest is says to remove. I'm going to I got this in position, so I'm gonna insert this into the wheel hub, the axle, and then mount the the spindle to this upper control arm. With this hole right here. And then I'll be able to tighten down the strut to the lower control arm here. Okay, here's the new axle. This right here. I got the upper control arm ball joint tightened down. New cotter pin. Here's the axle. Comes with the new axle nut. So just torque this down and make the mark so it doesn't spin off, and replace the wheel. I mentioned I had to take off the strut here. This right here. There's this bolt down here, takes 17mm sockets, and then up top it takes these three. Take a 14mm And then these three take a 12mm socket, and that comes out, and you can maneuver it to get the CV axle in there.